Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a minor problem that I hope is resolvable here on this Royal Quiet Deluxe. I'll take the lid off here. So, got done reworking this machine top to bottom, including a new ribbon lift here, replacement ribbon lift arm, and I replaced this basket bumper right here. It's causing problems and a bunch of other stuff. And it's ready to go, except for one last detail. Seems to be cutting off the tops of only the letter H, capital letter. Oops, they pile on top of each other. H is getting cut off. So I thought that was the ribbon lift, but it looks like it's something else. So I don't know if I've ever adjusted individual letters on this, but I think I'm gonna try. So there's the letter H right there. So let's come in right here and see where that's at down here. See if I can get some light in here. So H is this lever right here, and this is what pushes the ribbon up. So I'm thinking that lever is not engaging soon enough. These are all a little uneven, unbalanced. The H doesn't seem like it's out of place, but I'm going to try to form it so it engages this bar a little bit sooner. Just a fraction sooner. And that's going to be a little tricky to do on the camera here, but let's see which one is H. I think it was that one right there. So I think I want to try to use this bender right here. And I'm going to grab the type bar lever, because that is directly connected there. Let's see if I can manipulate this in here like this. And then I'm going to give this a little tweak. So I think it moved a little bit. That's what she said. Okay, so I think that moved a little bit. Let's see if it made any difference up here on type bars action. So we got J-U. Oh, look at that. That worked. Okay. So, if you have one or two individual letters that are cutting off the tops of the letters, the adjustment is going to be these bars here as they engage the ribbon lift here right there. And I barely formed that. Just a fraction, and it made all the difference. So that's how you do that. Royal Quiet Deluxe, and fix those letters that aren't cutting off the tops because the ribbon is not coming up high enough. Alright, Phoenix Typewriter, good day.